Hi, my name is Brandon Jawato. I'm a professional basketball player, and I also represent the Indonesian national team. Basketball has blessed me with a life that I've always dreamed of. I've been able to travel the world and inspire others and be the best person I can be. Adventure to me means life, and in life you have to take risks, and you'll never know unless you try it. After I've flown with Urban Air, I had a tremendous experience, memorable. It was such beautiful scenery. I'm filled up with so much joy. The captain was great, and I'm just really ecstatic. I'm really happy. The ultimate experience with Urban Air.